recently discovered a brand new YouTube channel called Bible Echoes, and honestly, the stats are amazing. Despite only posting about 17 videos, it has managed to garner over 100 million views for a channel of this type. If you look closely at their video content, you'll see that each video is created entirely with AI from start to finish. It's interesting to note that each video takes less than 15 minutes to create, as every component of the video, from the visuals to the audio, is generated with AI tools. According to statistics published on Social Blade, this channel has received over 2.2 million views in just the past 14 days and has an estimated revenue of $8,700. And that's just one example. Another channel called The Power of the Word has videos that are also created entirely with AI and have received great feedback. This channel has also received 2.4 million views in the past 14 days and has earned an estimated revenue of $9,800. It's crazy. What's the secret to their success? It's simple. They use AI tools to create professional videos and publish them on YouTube without a large team or complicated equipment. Now, the good news is that in this completely free course, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same. Next, you'll learn how to write cinematic style scripts and then use a free browser-based tool to create your own unique static characters. At the end of the video, I'll show you a real demo of the video if the Bible were a movie that my team and I created in less than 15 minutes using AI completely free of charge, without spending a single dollar. Now it's time to get into ChatGPT. It's easy. Just take a screenshot of any channel page you want, like the AI Bible. Then give ChatGPT the screenshot, or just write, "Make me 15 cool prompts like these videos." And you'll be amazed because in a few moments, ChatGPT will give you exactly what you need to create a cool and cinematic video. From story ideas to staging, stunning visual descriptions, even motion effects and camera shots, you no longer need to spend hours brainstorming or designing content. With AI, everything is at your service so that in just a few clicks, you can achieve results that previously only large professional teams could achieve. Now it's time to experience a new world. Enter Vidu AI, where you can create a video that looks like it came out of a professional anime with just a simple sentence or even a photo. Vidu AI is a powerful platform that uses artificial intelligence to create videos that were only in our imaginations until recently. High-quality animations, smooth movements, realistic characterization, everything is ready in seconds. If you create creative content, are looking for special and viral videos, or even just like to create a fantasy world, don't hesitate. Vidu AI is one of the best new tools you should try. The link to the site is in the video description. Now that you've signed up, you'll be taken to a professional and smart dashboard where everything is beautifully laid out for you to easily create your own content. In this dashboard, there are a few main tools that you can use depending on your needs. Reference to video, if you have a sample video and want to create something similar to it. Image to video, to convert still images into professional animated videos. Text to video, this tool is awesome. Just enter some simple text and you'll have a complete video in minutes. And even AI sound effects, which can add natural and engaging sound effects to your videos to give them a more realistic feel. I usually use the text to video option myself because it's fast, simple, and very powerful. Now we come to the exciting part of video creation. In the model selection section, you need to select the advanced Vidu Q1 model. This model is one of the most powerful AI video production models I've seen to date. It's truly amazing. After that, copy the prompt you prepared earlier with the help of ChatGPT and paste it into the relevant section. Now it's time to get into the professional settings. Style. The graphic style and appearance of the video, e.g. realistic, cartoony, cinematic, etc. Duration. The duration of the video resolution. The image quality, e.g. 1080p. Movement amplitude. The intensity of the camera movement to make the video more interesting. Aspect ratio. The aspect ratio, e.g. 16:9, 9:16 for vertical videos or 16:9 for YouTube. And a whole bunch of other options, all of which can be adjusted with just a few clicks. Once everything is set, just click the Create button. And now, the magic of AI begins. Enter the prompts that ChatGPT has prepared for you one by one to create your entire story or series of video content. In a matter of moments, this advanced system will deliver all the viral videos you want. It's truly incredible how, without the need for a team, studio, or professional equipment, you can produce videos that are watched by millions with just AI. Now log back into ChatGPT, this time write to it. Prepare me a complete video script about this topic. In less than a few moments, ChatGPT will prepare you a professional and complete script. Now log into ElevenLabs. Once you have the script that ChatGPT has prepared for you, it's time to prepare the voice of the video narrator. Log in to ElevenLabs.io. After registering, log into your user dashboard. In the speech synthesis section, copy and paste the video script that you got from ChatGPT. Now select an attractive narrator. After selecting the voice, click Generate to prepare the complete voice of the narrator in a few seconds. Now you have a ready-made script plus professional voice of the narrator that you can combine with the videos you make in Vidu AI. Final step, creating the final video with CapCut. After going through all the previous steps and preparing all the necessary components, such as videos made with Vidu AI and high-quality voiceover from ElevenLabs, it is now time to collect and adjust all these components into a unified and professional project so that your final output becomes an attractive, professional, and publishable video. At this stage, we will use the CapCut software or website. CapCut is one of the best free and yet powerful video editing tools that can be used in both the mobile version, Android and iPhone, and the desktop version. This software provides you with a variety of features so that you can easily create professional videos, even if you do not have much experience in video editing. Steps to creating the final video in CapCut first, log into the CapCut site or application and create a new project. Choose a project name that will be easily identifiable later. Next, import all the videos you have previously created with Vidu AI into the project. These videos should be arranged according to the scenario and story you have designed. Carefully place the videos in the appropriate order on the timeline. Make sure that each part of the story is in the right place and the sequence of the story is maintained. Now it is time to import the voiceover you have produced through ElevenLabs into the project and adjust it exactly below each part of the video. Be sure to pay attention to the matching of the sound and the image, as the harmony between the two plays a very important role in the final impact of the video. To increase visual appeal, add a suitable background music to the video. The choice of the type of music should be in line with the overall feel of the video. If your video is educational, motivational, or emotional, the music should enhance this atmosphere. Use effects, transitions, animated texts, animations, and visual filters to give your video as much depth as possible. This will make your video look more professional and will keep your audience engaged from start to finish. At the end of your video, include a short summary or call to action. For example, encourage your audience to subscribe to your channel, like the video, or leave a comment. This final part is very important because it will help increase engagement and grow your channel faster. If you have followed these steps carefully, you will have a video that not only looks professional, but also has the potential to go viral and attract an audience. Now you are ready to publish it on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or anywhere else you like. Some motivational quotes from Mr. Beast to boost your motivation. Don't worry about money. Just focus on making the best videos you can. Mr. Beast, if you are not getting better, make sure someone else is. Mr. Beast, you can learn anything. It just takes time and focus. Mr. Beast, so buddy, now that you've learned all these tips and ideas about starting a YouTube channel, let me tell you a true story. The story of someone who started with just a simple camera and now became one of the biggest YouTubers in history. Yes, I'm talking about Jimmy Donaldson, the guy we all know today as Mr. Beast. When Jimmy made his first video, he had no professional equipment, no professional team, no big budget. All he had was a burning and boundless passion for content creation. He started recording videos in his room with minimal resources. He made videos for months and even years without making any money. Many people told him he was wasting his time. They said he wouldn't succeed. They said the world was too big for anyone to see him. But he knew one thing. He knew what he wanted. He continued, patiently, persistently, with a focus on one important thing: giving value to his audience. He wanted his audience to learn, laugh, be amazed, or just take a moment to step away from today's busy and hectic world. And the result of that love and persistence? Millions of subscribers, billions of views, and thousands of people whose lives were better because of him. But Mr. Beast's success is not just about numbers and figures. His real success story is in his creative, different, and human ideas. He realized that YouTube is not just a platform for videos, but a golden opportunity for impact, an opportunity to make a difference, an opportunity to build a better world with content. If you want to succeed, you have to first understand what your audience is looking for. Looking for truth? Looking for entertainment? Looking for learning? Or just a moment of refuge from this hectic world? If you can understand that, you're halfway there. So if you're watching this video right now, you can be like Mr. Beast. You don't have to be the best from the start, but you do have to be committed from the start. Committed to trying, committed to growing, committed to making every video you make take you one step further. Produce with integrity, continue with love, create with perseverance. YouTube is a place for ordinary people with extraordinary ideas. A place where you can shake up the world with just one right idea. No one was a pro from the start. Everyone started somewhere. The only difference between someone who succeeds and someone who hasn't started yet is a serious decision. You are just one good idea away from making a big difference in your future. If you're ready, it's time to take the first step. Now it's your turn to write your own story, a story that may inspire thousands of others tomorrow. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or an idea in your mind that you don't know if it will work or not, write to me in the comments. I'm here to help you. Until the next video, goodbye, and good luck on the path that will shape your future.
Before time began, before the earth turned, before even the first breath was taken, an infinite light shone in the utter darkness, a light whose name was God. He spoke, and the world was formed. Mountains, seas, sun, moon, and finally, man. A man of dust, a woman of bone, but both carrying the divine breath. They lived in a garden that was perfect, where God walked and the earth listened. But even in paradise, a whisper was enough to break the covenant. Deception, sin, the fall, and the earth was thrown off balance. Man was separated from the presence of light, and darkness began. The world was filled with violence. Hearts hardened, but even in that darkness, hope remained. A man named Noah heard a command in the silence. Build an ark, for a storm is coming, and it rained. 40 nights, 40 days. The earth was cleansed, but God's promise remained. A rainbow was drawn between heaven and earth, a sign that said, I will return. Generations passed. Kings came and went. Moses, a simple man, was called from the wilderness to deliver the people. The sea was parted, Pharaoh was defeated, and the law was given on the mountain. The 10 Commandments, 10 signs of love and justice. And then David, a young boy with a stone and a faith greater than any sword, struck down a giant. Hearts filled with faith changed the destiny of the world. But all this was a prelude, setting the stage for the coming of the one promised from the beginning. Not a warrior in armor, not a king with a crown, but a babe in a manger, a heavenly messenger in earthly clothing. He came in silence, but the sound of his presence changed all history. He gave sight to the blind, healed the sick, fed the hungry, and most importantly, he saw the brokenhearted. But true love always comes at a cost, and he paid the ultimate price. Betrayal, whipping, crucifixion, pain, blood, abandonment. But at that moment when everyone thought it was the end, the sky shook, and a peace greater than death whispered in the empty tomb. He is risen. The cross was no longer a sign of defeat, but a symbol of victory, and the tomb, not the house of death, but the gate of life. This is not just a historical story. This story is an invitation to your heart, an invitation to return, to healing, to the light that still shines in the darkness. Because the Bible is not just a book, it is the voice of God in the heart of every searching human being. And maybe today is the time to begin your story.